Today, a special shout out goes to our team agent, Chad Hull. Chad is a remarkable example of what a professional sales consultant can do with his real estate career. He's just coming into his second year, closing out a phenomenal year of business. Was it easy? No. Did he earn every bit of the work he had? Yes, he did. But he put in the work, he did the reps, and he got the results. And I just wanted to take a minute publicly here to shout out to Chad Hull. If you have anybody thinking about buying or selling real estate, Chad may be your guy to talk to. Chad's heart for his clients knows no bounds. He goes above and beyond, and he has closed transactions all over Metro Atlanta. Now, our office is here in Marietta, and he lives in Ackworth. So if you live in Brookstone, Bentwater, Seven Hills area, he is your go-to guy. He knows his market, he knows his data, he knows how to help buyers win and negotiates like a beast. And as a listing agent, he will help you prepare your home for sale because he's smart and he knows things and he's done his homework and he's put in the time. Thank you, Chad, for all you do, and Happy New Year to you.